sweat protection.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Happy Monday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed with your eyewitness weather forecast for today, which includes cloudy skies, a few flurries or snow showers possible, and high temperatures today into the lower 40s, maybe the upper 30s for some of you as well. Sunset tonight at 7:37. And kind of adding to the chill is winds out of the west and northwest at around 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusting 20 to 40 at times. Temperatures, keep in mind, for this time of year should be pretty close to 50 degrees, and up toward the north, you might not even see temperatures reach 40 from the valley on toward the south, though. We'll get to the lower, if not the mid-40s if we're lucky. Dropping to around 25 to 30 degrees overnight tonight with a few clouds early and then snow showers late. Our sunrise tomorrow morning at 6:36 and winds out of the west and southwest at around 5 to 10 miles an hour, making it feel like it's right around, if not just above 20 degrees for most of the night. The good news, though, is that as we head through the second half of the week, we'll see temperatures returning to at or above average, and I'll have that full forecast tonight at 6.
Here's the declaration of...
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Happy Monday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed with your eyewitness weather forecast for today, which includes cloudy skies, a few flurries or snow showers still possible, and temperatures running about 5 to 10 degrees below normal today, around 42, but making it feel chillier as winds out of the west and northwest at around 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusting 20 to 40. Our sunset tonight at 7:37. Temperatures at this time of year should be pretty close to 50 degrees, but up toward the north, you might not even get into the 40s. Most of us from the valley on south will, though. And then overnight tonight will drop to around 25 to 30 degrees with a few clouds early and then snow showers late, along with increasing clouds. Winds out of the west and southwest at around 5 to 10 miles an hour, making it feel like the low to mid-20s for most of the night. We'll still see a few flurries as we head into our Tuesday, but Wednesday and beyond, it looks like some sunshine return with a few clouds and at or above average temperatures. And I'll have that full forecast tonight at 6. Have a great Monday.
Eyewitness News is brought to you by GPO Federal Credit Union. Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
6:11 is now the time on your early Monday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed. I hope you had a great Easter weekend. But as we head through tonight and tomorrow, it looks like we will be seeing some snow showers move through before things turn brighter and milder for the midweek period. So we'll get to that in the coming minutes. Let's take a look first, though, at our flood warnings that continue. Only two of them continue, both of them for West Canada Creek. The first one is at Cass Bridge, and that goes until 2 a.m. on Tuesday. The other one is for West Canada Creek at Hinckley, and that goes until 2 a.m. on Wednesday. So we'll let you know if those get extended, because they do keep getting extended. As far as downtown Utica is concerned right now, we're seeing some sunshine along with some clouds out there. Current temperature 40 degrees, and we only got into the low 40s today. Winds out of the west-northwest at 10 miles an hour, making it feel like 33. So we're dealing with a bit of a wind chill out there right now. It's also rather dry with a dew point of 22. Visibility not an issue, though, at 10 miles. Other numbers from around the region, most of us into the middle and upper 30s, down toward the south and up toward the north. But you will find a few locales that are in the Mohawk Valley that are into the 40s, like I mentioned, downtown Utica, currently sitting at 40 degrees. Same thing over in Camden, over at 41. So actually a little bit warmer there. As far as temperatures during your Tuesday, if you're wondering if it's going to get any warmer, the answer is no. We will be seeing some snow showers, especially through the early part of the day. They'll become more intermittent and scattered through the second half of the day, but temperatures hold steady only into the low and mid 30s. It'll feel like it's in the most 20s, I should say, for most of the day. And then it turns mostly clear for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We'll be seeing some snow showers, mainly down toward Madison County right now. Some of it's mixed with a little bit of rain toward the 90 corridor, and same thing up in toward northern Hamilton and northern Herkimer counties as well. You might find some light snow showers out there. That's thanks to this shortwave area of low pressure up toward northern sections of Michigan. That'll swing its way through central New York as we head through tonight into Tuesday, so let's track it with Futurecast. We'll be seeing mainly clear to partly cloudy skies during the first part of the evening, but then toward and after midnight, we will be seeing some increase in clouds, and then along with it from the southwest up toward the north and east, that short wave will pinwheel through, and so will the snow showers. Some of them could be moderate to even heavy at times for your morning commute. Then it looks like we'll be dealing with some leftover snow showers and even some lake effect snow showers as we head through your Tuesday afternoon into the first part of the evening before things finally clear out. Temperatures at best tomorrow, as I mentioned, only getting into the low and mid 30s, well below average for this time of year. Some of us could see as much as maybe 2 to 4 inches in the higher elevations both to the north and south. The good news is that you only have to hold on for one more day because temperatures will be much closer to average by the time we head toward your Wednesday. Even more so as we head through Thursday, we'll be above average by then with highs in the low 60s and then back into the upper 60s by the time we head toward Friday with a few showers. Thomas, back to you.
Thank you, George.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Almost 10:17 now on your late Monday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed tracking some snow showers overnight tonight, colder temperatures for your Tuesday before things turn milder and brighter for the mid to late week period, I should say. Let's first take a look at the one remaining flood warning that is still in effect. This is for West Canada Creek at Hinckley, and currently it goes until 2 a.m. on Wednesday. This is affecting both portions of Herkimer and Oneida counties, so areas like Russia, Newport Village included in this, sections of Trenton, as well as Fairfield included in this as well. But thankfully, the water levels are finally on their way down. So that's the reason why that's the only flood warning that is still in effect. As far as the stats for the day, 42 the high this afternoon. That is a full 10 degrees below average for this time of year. This morning's low was 32, so that's right where we should be. This low of 31 is occurring right now, as you'll see coming up in just a second, and obviously not anywhere near the records of 82 and 14 respectively. So 31, as I mentioned, right now in downtown Utica, up toward the north. You've got readings that are already down into the 20s, like Old Forge sitting at 24, but that's the exception to the rule. The rest of us are into the lower, if not the mid 30s, and that's the best they're going to get as we head through our Tuesday. We'll have snow showers in the morning especially, but a couple of those could linger late morning into the early afternoon. But the rest of the day, it's going to be cold. It's going to feel, and in some cases look, more like January or February than early April. Our average high for tomorrow, April 7th, 52 degrees. So we'll be well below that, but thankfully we'll get closer to it as we head through Wednesday and even above it as we head through Thursday. So we do have some snow showers that are now entering the western sections of Oneida County. Some of them some heavier bursts off toward Oswego County, so that'll swing through over the next 1 to 3 hours or so. And the culprit for that is this area of low pressure that is currently making its way from Michigan into Ontario. Back toward the west, though, we've got high pressure building into portions of Minnesota and the Dakotas, and that'll be with us as we head through Wednesday, thereby drawing things out and also brightening things up and warming things up, too. Overnight tonight, we will see increasing clouds toward and after midnight, and then the snow showers build in generally from west to east, and some of them could be moderate to even heavy at times for your morning commute. But because of the higher sun angle at this time of year, I think we will see a lot of melting and thankfully not a lot of accumulation. But there will be some, especially in some of the higher elevations. You'll see what I mean here coming up in just a second, with maybe as much as an inch or two in the valley, maybe 2 to 4 in some of the higher elevations, both to the north and south. As we go through the next couple of days, though, it'll be breezy, sure, for the midweek period, but much milder, much brighter. And then it looks like those bright and mild and even breezy conditions at times remain with us through the weekend and through the start of next week, with rain chances on both Friday and Monday. Thomas, back over to you.
Thank you, Jordan. It's time to send things over.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Almost 11:12 now on your late Monday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed tracking some winter-like temperatures and some snow for your Tuesday before things turn milder for the midweek and brighter as well. But first, we have one more flood warning to get through. This is the only one left, and currently it is for the West Canada Creek at Hinckley, impacting both portions of Herkimer and Oneida counties, mainly Russia, Newport Village, down toward Fairfield, over toward Trenton and Remsen as well. This currently goes until 2 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, so thankfully that is starting to recede finally. Right now in downtown Utica, mostly cloudy skies, 31 degrees with a calm wind, so it still feels like 31. However, those winds are going to be coming in out of the west and northwest during our Tuesday at 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusting higher than that. And when you combine that with temperatures themselves for most of the day that are going to be into the lower, if not the mid-30s, maybe the upper 20s for some of you, it's going to feel like the teens and 20s for most of the day. So definitely feeling more like January or February as opposed to April 7th. Temperatures across the area right now are into the middle and upper 20s to the lower and mid-30s, especially the farther south that you go. And they're basically going to hold steady there as we head through our Tuesday. Keep in mind that our average high for tomorrow's date, April 7th, is 52 degrees. So we'll be nearly 15 to 20 degrees below that for most of the day. And we will have some snow showers out there. Those will come to an end toward the second half of the day. And we will see those winds going calm and the skies clearing. But that'll only allow the temperature to drop into the teens as we head through Tuesday night and into early on Wednesday morning. We do have some snow moving through the area right now. The heaviest and steadiest of it is just to the north of the thruway in both portions of Oswego County, now getting into northern and western Oneida County. And the culprit for that is this area of low pressure that has made its way from Michigan now into southern Ontario. Back toward the west, though, we do have high pressure building in, and that'll be with us for tomorrow night and especially through the day on Wednesday, thereby brightening things up and also helping to warm things up to closer to average for this time of year. Overnight tonight, we will see increasing clouds, especially toward and after midnight, and then during the wee hours of the morning and for your morning commute, we'll see that snow pinwheeling its way from the west off toward the east. Some of it could be locally moderately to heavily, and then we will see some second rounds of it as we head through the afternoon. Some of it of the lake effect variety as well, and you'll notice it's cold throughout the entire day and feeling like the 20s as well with that gusty wind before the snow comes to an end tomorrow night. As far as total accumulations, there could be as much as 2 to 4 inches up toward the north, most of us seeing a coating to an inch, and that would mainly be on grassy surfaces before things warm up on Wednesday and really warm up as we head into the weekend, several days in the 60s, and the next rain chance is not coming at us until Friday with highs in the upper 60s, and then Monday we'll get into the low 70s with some afternoon showers. Thomas, back to you.